In this video, we will see how to add particular contact as an emergency contact on your iPhone. So whenever there is an issue or problem occurs, that time whenever you enable the emergency calling on your iPhone, by default that person will get a call from your iPhone. So how to do it? Let's see. For this, do one thing, go ahead and open your contacts. Once you open the contact, open the particular contact which you want to add as your emergency contact. Just go ahead, open the contact, and now it's very easy. In a contact, just scroll down below, and here if you see, there is an option called add to emergency contacts. It's very easy. Just go ahead and tap on that option. That is your add to emergency contacts. Once you do it, the next step or next method, that is choose the tag here. Like who is that? Like your spouse, parents, or your daughter, sister, etc. etc. Just go ahead, choose the tag. Once you do it, just confirm your medical ID and click on done. Automatically that particular contact will be added as your emergency contact in your medical ID or your health application. So guys, that's how easily you can add your any contact as your emergency contact on your iPhone with this simple method. So I hope it helped you. I hope you like this video, and if yes, then please like the video and please subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.